Do you need a way to have global voice in your world but not for everybody? Then this microphone is going to do the trick. So first, we're going to create an object, and once you've grouped that object into a single object, you can then go inside of the group properties, click interactive, make it grabbable and physics, so we hit both. We'll turn gravity on. We'll set this to be metal. And then we need to attach a script. So first you're going to create a script, build section, go to gizmos, and pull out a script block. From our events tab, you're going to grab when object is grabbed by player and when object is released by player. We'll then go to the actions tab, scroll all the way to the bottom, and you'll see set player voice settings. We'll grab that and pull that over here. And now we can set the voice settings to global when it's grabbed, and we'll put that on the player. So you grab the player and then use the duplicate tool by pressing to the right, and we'll do that over here as well. And by leaving this one on an environment, it'll bring their settings back to their original settings. So whenever you pick up this microphone, it's going to give you global settings, and when you let go of it, you will have regular voice settings. And regular voice settings for the environment is whatever you set it to, and you can set world voice settings from inside of your environment block. So inside of the environment block, you will see that voice settings can be set to global, nearby, or extended. All right, and that is how you make it. Last thing to do is just attach the script. So we've now attached the script to mic, and when we grab this microphone, everyone in this world can hear you. And then if we let go, my voice settings are back to world default. Very, very simple. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye!